Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold for 25th and 26th August and discuss the technical strategies that could be implemented. Now let's begin. Here we can see that the market took support and we have given a signal to go long. Here we can see from some around 1927 we have seen a higher high move and our take profits were placed from around this resistance where we have given n signal to go short if we see a close below this resistance zone. The traders who have gone for short would be currently in profit or have take their profits or their take profits would have hit some around 1927. Thus, the day or the yesterday was a day for the yesterday we have closed in profit. Now, moving on, what we can potentially see is that the uncertainty in the market has been decreasing, and which would be or which is in very bad for the gold, due to which we can see that the market could potentially break through this support zone and we can see a lower low move retesting and range of some around 1893 till some around 1865. Now what a trader should do is that here we have highlighted a descending channel, which we, this was the resistance, this is the support. Again we have drawn some resistance zone which was some around 1955 till some around 1951, and this support zone of some around 1925 till some around 1920. Now what is the thing which a trader should consider before triggering his or her long position is that I would be potentially looking or waiting for the market to either close below this support zone, which is some around 1924 or some around 1918. If we see a close of an 4 hourly or a 2 hourly candle below 1918, that would indicate that the bearish sentiment which has been respected the market since some around 1963 has now or should be continued. That would indicate us that we could take a short position. Moreover, we can also draw the FIB retracement, which would further help us in taking our position, whether a short or whether a long. Let me pull out the FIB retracement. This would be the recent highs. Now zooming in so you guys can see it more clear. Here we have drawn in support zone some around 1925 till some around 1922. Now what we can see is that the golden ratio, which is mostly respected by the market, which is 61.8, is placed some around 1921. Thus this gives us a very crucial information, and the experienced trader who are viewing this video can understand. For the traders who do not understand why I said it as a very crucial point, is that we can see going in the past some around here we have seen a retracement and a higher high move. Again, when the market retested this range, we have seen a fake breakout downwards, then we have seen a higher high move. Now again we are retesting this zone, and this would be a very critical area to be observed. Now what are the scenarios in which you should trigger a short position is that if we see a breakthrough this support zone and this golden ratio, which is placed some around 1921, and the candle closed below 1917, that would indicate that the bearish momentum has entered in the market. Thus, I would be directly taking a sale position somewhere around 1917 if we see a close below 1917, or I would be rather taken short position on a retracement. Let me pull it. Thus, I would be rather taking the as being aggressive trader. We can take in long position at as the we see that 2 hourly or in 4 hourly candle closed below this particular support zone, which is somewhere around 1916. Again repeating, if we see a close of 4 hourly or 2 hourly candle below 1916, this would trigger a bearish momentum entering in the market, and we could potentially opt for a sale position with our stop losses would be just placed above the support zone, and our take profit would be just placed somewhere around 1898. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.69. Now coming to the bullish scenario, what we can potentially see is that the market is again trying to take the support of this golden ratio, which is placed somewhere around 1921, and the support zone of this descending channel, and the support zone which we have drawn somewhere around here. Now what we can potentially when we could potentially go for a long position is that, let me remove the fib so it's easy to understand, is that if we see a close of a candle above than 1928 till 1925, again repeating, if we see a candle closing above 1928 to 1930, this would indicate that the bullish momentum has entered in the market, which could potentially trigger a long position in the which could potentially give us a signal to go long on the market. Thus, we can directly take our long position, what I will do, or we can wait for a retracement. Thus, we would be triggering a long position somewhere around 1929 with our take profit of this above resistance, which is somewhere around 1949, with our stop loss just placed below the support zone, which would be just placed some around 1916. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.57. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.